Hello, I'm Mark Brooks. I've been a stuntman for 32 years. I was introduced to LifeWave at the beginning of this year in January. I was skeptical at first. I tried it. I got 3 days into it. My mental clarity the change was amazing. About the fifth day, I stopped snoring. And the seventh day, I realized that my pain was down probably at least 30%. I'm coming up to 90 days now. My pain is down about 80%. The mental clarity is still getting better it seems like every day. So it's really changed my life. It's brought me into a place where I can do the things that I wanted to do without pain. And that has been a great thing for me.